October 14th, card opening. Dodgers and Braves are gone. It's Diamondbacks and Phillies versus, or Diamondbacks and Phillies face the winner of the Rangers and Astros. So I'm going to vote Rangers and probably vote Phillies. Let's see, you got a couple packs open. Start for 2021. Have not got a hit from this box yet, or anything really noteworthy. Debbie Garcia being the best there, and that's an insert and not his base, so no. What came out as a best? We have our hit here. Looks like a relic. Trey Mancini. Taylor Trammell. He went from like most improved in 2 years to DFA'd. Aaron down. Should be DFA'd. Pausto, Chris Davis. Casey Mize rookie card relic. Not horrible. Hopefully he'll be back. I don't know what to think about the Tigers. On paper, they should be good. In practicality, something's not clicking. Heritage relic not, our hit not as good as our last one, but our last one you're not gonna get really ever again. Let's go through here, make sure Taylor Trammell. Nothing else that really jumps out. Got Japan. We're still wrapping up this box, which has been very good. A lot of parallels. If you like your base set, Japanese set's a good way to go. You get all the good rookies. You get a lot of parallels. Jose Altuve. Still in the running for another World Series ring. Definitely feel that they're beatable, but I don't know if anyone's going to do it. There's Shohei. McCarthy. Torkelson. Another Shohei. Next, we have some select. So I'm trying to develop my time using stuff. So no reason to hold on to them at all. Blake Snell should be Cy Young. Trevor Bauer should have a job again. Ryan Mountcastle. He's on a good team. Out of 150. Big old patch. Luis Garcia, Giolito, Christian Javier, Clevenger, and Lowe. Javier being the best card there, and my fiend is cleansed with the Vaughn Grissom image variation, Mackenzie Gore out of 75, and Ezekiel Tovar Chrome. Okay, so you got all sorts of things falling apart. And finally, the last one of these I thought we'd do. T206 Wave 5. I think I'll grab these because J-Rod was in them. Never too much. I think there was a 205 this year. It still didn't stand out, and I wasn't really buying heavily this year. Wood, to the back. Hosmer, Wright, Fletcher, Ozzie Smith, Fielder, Grissom, Jenkins, Piazza, Meadows, Verlander, and Denard, Braves, Wood. Off-centered. It's pretty impressive you do a wood one off-centered. But where there's a will, there's a way. Verlander is a Tolstoi, and a Piedmont is Meadows. So, woodcatcher on a Braves, we're just out. That's our opening for today. You take care.